Dear students, welcome to our class on desert locust, Cystosira gregaria. It is a weather-driven pest. It causes havoc. So, agriculture meteorology, we the agriculture must know about its damage and then how to control, how weather plays an important role as far as this most important pest is concerned. Now, locusts first be like grasshoppers in solitary phase. Later, they turn to gregarious phase if they conglomerate in as high as 2000 per hectare. Desert locust is an international transboundary insect pest causing threat to agriculture production and livelihoods in many countries in Africa, Mid East and Southwest India. Okay. The magnitude of damage and loss caused by the locusts is very gigantic, beyond the imagination, as they cause starvation as well. Desert locusts eat their own weight every day. A very small swarm eats as much in one day as about 35,000 people, posing a devastating threat to crops. It is a polyphagous feeder, eats everything starting from tender leaves to almost harvested crops like. Okay, so what is the importance of weather on desert locust? All weather elements play significant role in desert locust. Okay, number one, let us take the rainfall. Desert locust, when rainfall is plentiful and annual green vegetation develops, desert locusts increase rapidly in number and within a month or two start to concentrate and become gregarious. Heavy rainfall help create a perfect breeding condition. Heavy rainfall, perfect breeding conditions it is creating. So this is with reference to rainfall. As far as temperature is concerned, mass migration flight starts at 17 to 22 degrees centigrade and do not migrate at 14 to 16 degrees centigrade. That means lower the temperatures, migration is restricted. Locusts are resistant to, in general, low temperatures, but adults buried in snow or exposed to prolonged fast may die. Most important point, the perfect temperature for desert locust to multiply is 35 degrees centigrade during the daytime. That is the 35 degrees centigrade is the perfect temperature for multiplication during the daytime. Heavy rains makes the best breeding places. Two weather elements are over. The third weather element, of course, relative humidity. 70% relative humidity increases laying and early maturity of females. Pressure. If atmospheric pressure is low, the locusts show a great excitement and abnormal behavior. Wind. The gregarious adults migrate in the direction of the wind and of course they cover a distance of 150 kilometers per day. This is with reference to wind. The direction and speed of the wind determine the displacement of the adults and swarms. Winds can carry flying locusts to sea where many may drown or of course icy peaks if winds are very high, and they may die of icy cold, or when they are taken by wind to the oceanic areas or sea areas, they may be perished in the water. Now, with reference to control, just let us try to understand one important thing. Like other pests, okay, desert locust, like other locusts and grasshoppers, passes through three stages: egg, nymph, and adult. The wingless larvae or nymphs are called hoppers, and the hoppers shed their skins 5 to 6 times each time they grow. Each time they shed the skin, they grow in size. Now, to control. To monitor and control, a permanent locust warning organization was established. Food and Agriculture Organization Rome closely monitors the global desert locust situation, of course, and provides forecasts early warning and alerts on timing, scale and location of invasions and breeding through its Desert Locust Information Service, DLIS, Desert Locust Information Service. So, how to control it? The first thing is, of course, go for loud sounds making with maybe some metals or empty cans or even through electronic system. Smoking in the fields in the night as locusts won't be active during the night. Collecting hoppers with catching machines and killing them. Neem-based formulation 0.5 EC at 45 ml per 15 liters of water. Of course, chemicals, methylparathion, biopesticides also work. Of course, ignite dry grass or any trash in front of the migrating or marching hopper. 2 feet depth, 2 feet wide trenches in front of the marching hoppers and apply phenolphos. Helicopters or drones may be used for their flying and catching. Of course, wasps are the natural enemies. This is what I would like to share with you, and may God bless you. All the best for all your exams. Thank you for your patient hearing.